Kundalini Yoga is the yoga of awareness, but what is awareness? I think that's a really important question to ask so that you know what you're stepping in with and what are the qualities and characteristics that define awareness. And so here's some thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But before I begin, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and I'm the lead instructor for YogaVision's Kundalini Yoga Teacher Training Program. All the links are below. I'd love to meet you on a discovery call and see how these practices can not only change your day, but also your life. All right, so what is awareness? Awareness is the mixing of three different qualities and components. The first one is openness. So a mindset that says, let me try new things. Let me explore new ways of approaching my thoughts and my feelings and my life in general so that I can live a more broad experience. And now in order to do that, in order to come with one, openness, the second one is curiosity. I wonder where that could take me. What is this video title? What could that potentially lead me towards? And how could I use this ancient wisdom tradition, Kundalini Yoga, to enhance my ability to show up in my life, to be as vast as I know myself to be, and to let go of some of the trappings of my personality? That's curiosity. And then the third one is courage. Yes, my friends, courage. Why? Because it takes courage to change. It takes courage to look in the mirror and to see the things that are holding us back, holding us down, holding us small, and then to take all the necessary steps in order to live a little bit larger, to tell our truth, to share an opinion, to express ourselves creatively, and then also to heal through the past and to let that part of our personalities go so that we can explore and be in the world now fully expressed. And so there we go. That's what awareness brings with it. So Kundalini Yoga, the yoga of awareness, is really about openness, curiosity, and courage. And once you develop a nervous system that can manage and handle and craves and wants those shifts and changes, you'll find a little bit more motivation to get to the mat. But until then, lean into discipline, lean into end results, lean into the knowingness that brought you here to begin with. Until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Please like and share and follow for more information just like this. Bye for now.